Hello, friends. This is Chandrakant from Apple Mac Technologies. And friends, as you can see, my surroundings are purple today, and it is not by accident. It is actually purposely done because we would like to talk about the highest military honor of India, which is Paramveer Chakra. What are the parameters around it? And since purple is the color of valor, we would like to maintain this color in our video today. So, without further ado, let me present Paramveer Chakra, the highest military honor from the Indian forces and by the people of India to the martyrs and to the exemplary bravery of our soldiers. Paramveer Chakra, as the name suggests, it's a symbol of the ultimate warrior, the person who has put himself above the country, above the sovereignty, above the democracy of our country, great nation, the most ancient civilization, more than 6,000 years old, with known history, still existing to protect this beautiful country, the person who has actually devoted himself against the enemy which has come and tried to steal our freedom. So, this medal is given to the person who shows this ultimate courage and many times have to give supreme sacrifice. So, there are certain parameters around this award or this honor. We will discuss more about it shortly. As you can see, friends, the Paramveer Chakra is not a really shining object. It is not really, medal or an object which is made of gold or silver, or it is very shining and is visible from far off. But it is a simple bronze chakra, and it has a very specific meaning. So it is related to the valor of the soldiers. It is hung by a strip which is purple in color. As you know, purple is the color of valor. Many countries have the gallantry awards with purple also, and in India as well, the purple is also understood and known as the color of valor. And this was designed by a person in 1950s, soon after India got independence. But before we get onto the award or the honor itself, I think it is very important to understand the background of the designer of Paravir Chakra, since Paravir Chakra was the first gallantry chakra designed and awarded to our brave soldiers. So let us understand about the designer of this gallantry award. Paramveer Chakra was designed by a person called Savitri Bai Khanolkar. Uh, Although the name suggests that it's a very Indian name, but Savitri was born Eve in Switzerland from a Hungarian father and a Russian mother. And she grew up in Geneva. She during her childhood and schooling, early schooling, she spoke very good French and German. Later, she married an Indian captain, Vikram Khanolkar, and then moved to India. So, we will understand more about this wife of our great captain in the Indian Army. But it is important to know the background of this person and why she was given responsibility of designing the first gallantry award, that is Paramveer Chakra. Savitri, right after her marriage, even though there was a huge difference between difference of age between herself and her husband, she moved to India against the will of her father because she always used to say that she is an Indian born in Europe, Indian soul born in Europe. She had very deep interest in Indian mythology, and soon after moving to India, she was able to learn Hindi, uh, Marathi, and Sanskrit. She could speak in all three languages fluently. So, because of this knowledge and this ability of multilingual, as friends, you know that India is a multilingual country itself. She was able to speak in multiple languages, and hence she read a lot of scriptures, Indian scriptures, and she was very fascinated about the heritage and rich history along with the mythological stories. She was also a devout Hindu, and she read almost every Indian scriptures to understand Indian civilization better. So, if you dwell into the psychology of this person, she was highly moved by the Indian ancient civilization and also the current, the way of life of India. And she was very highly involved in the humanitarian task. She helped a lot of displaced families, uh, which resulted after the partition of India. She also continued her help to a lot of martyrs families in India to support them to find an alternative livelihood, to see if they can have a better living after their husbands have died in the war. And her husband actually died quite early. Uh, Captain Vikram passed away in 1952, but after that, Savitri Bai joined Ramakrishna Mission and dedicated herself to the humanitarian activities in India. Apart from designing these gallantry awards. So she was a devout Hindu. She also was a pure vegetarian. So now, when she was given a task to design the first gallantry award, with this Paramveer Chakra of India, all this background matters because she used all of this background, converted that into meaning, and that translated back into designing of the chakra, uh, which is the India's highest and the first gallantry award given to soldiers. In addition to designing of Paramveer Chakra, which was commissioned in 1950, although Paramveer Chakra was applicable from 1947, but between 1947 to 1950, there was a gallantry award given that was called General Service Medal, and then it was later discontinued till 19. It was given till 1965, but even General Service Medal was designed by Savitri Bai. She was also instrumental in designing Mahavir Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Veer Chakra. So these are the subsequent gallantry awards which were designed, but all of these different chakras were given to soldiers who have not shown the exemplary courage and valor in battle as much as to deserve the Paramveer Chakra. So the Paramveer Chakra remains the penultimate award for valor in India. Having understood the background of the designer, Savitri Bai Khanolkar, we can now discuss more about the Paramveer Chakra design, ethos, and parameters. As the name suggests, it's called Paramveer Chakra. In English, if you have to translate, it means the wheel of ultimate brave. And Chakra has a very profound impact on the Indian ways of life, Indian civilization. And the designer did not want it to be very shiny and you can see it from miles, etc. It was a true symbol of courage and valor. That is why it was designed in a very simple way. It is just made of very low cost material, which is bronze. It is not shiny at all, but it symbolizes the ultimate valor. It is hung by a strip which is purple in color, which also symbolizes it's a color of valor. The recipient of Paramveer Chakra is respected across length and breadth of India, and everyone in the defense services are supposed to salute the Paramveer Chakra. If he's wearing a chakra on his breast, on his shoulder, he will be saluted even by the senior most officer of the army or of the government. So the recipient of Paramveer Chakra are respected across length and breadth of India, and as a protocol, everyone, whether they are senior or junior, are supposed to salute. So it is understood that the recipient of Paramveer Chakra Gallantry Award is the senior most, is most respected person in India. The specification of this chakra is exactly 1.37 inch, a circle which is of this dimension. It is hung. You can see in the design there is a uh, uh, bar, and then the bar is further hung from the shoulder uh, using a purple ribbon. In the design, in the middle, there is a national emblem of India, which is the Teen Murti, which is a national symbol, and it is surrounded on four directions. There is an image of Vajra. So in Indian culture, Vajra is a weapon created. It's a weapon of Indra. Indra is supposed to be the king of gods, and Vajra was designed using a bone of a hermit who donated his life, and so that his bones had some superpowers, and these bones were used to build Vajra. Vajra in English also stands for thunderbolt, and this is the most potent weapon. It is even more potent than nuclear weapons. So Vajra was feared. If you read the Indian mythological stories, the stories of God, Vajra was feared across the length and breadth of universe. So in this medal of honor, the Vajra is shown in all four directions, which is north, east, and west and south. Um, so this is the way even the Tibetan civilization was affected by Indian civilization, and this two-way Vajra was also prevalent in the Tibetan mythology. And at the back side of the reverse of the chakra, there is the name of the chakra is mentioned, divided by two lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India, and it has a very profound religious connotation. So this was also captured as a design parameter of Paramveer Chakra. So you can see that chakra is not a shiny object, but it is the most respected item in Indian civilization. Having explained the chakra parameters and also the background of the designer, uh, now let's discuss who have been awarded so far. So since 1947 till 2020, almost 70 years, only 21 people have been awarded the ultimate Gallantry Award, which is Paramveer Chakra, making the Indian Gallantry Award most difficult gallantry award in the world to obtain. It means that to win a Paramveer Chakra, you have to really put yourself above the rest without considering about your well-being. You have to put the nation in front, and you have to show exemplary courage. Now, the courage could be of winning a war, winning a battle, saving your comrades. It could be anything. But then there is a committee which decides and then really evaluate um, the person who has actually shown real courage in the battlefield. So this Paramveer Chakra is the least given award, even though India has gone into 4 to 5 major battles, um, and there are a lot of stories of courage. But to get the Paramveer Chakra, which is the ultimate award for valor, only 21 have been selected. 14 were awarded posthumously, and rest were still serving for the army. Out of 21, one was given to Air Force and 20 were given to the Army. So each one of these 21 people have shown exemplary courage and valor. Some of them have lost their lives, given the ultimate sacrifice, but each one of them have a remarkable story behind them. And we will cover the stories of these brave soldiers who have been given the Paramveer Chakra, the ultimate award of valor on the face of the earth. And in this series, we will talk about that. But this video is dedicated about Paramveer Chakra, and we have discussed about it in this Paramveer Chakra. What are the parameters, who were given, who designed it, and what is there on the face of the Paramveer Chakra. So with this, I will end my video, and I will like to engage with you friends, like to get your comments, do subscribe and like, not to miss any further update. And if you have any comment, do post it. We will put your comment in the next video, and we can actually talk about your question in the next video. Until then, I like to say goodbye. Until next time.